Okay, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Domain 4.0, Software Development Concepts. To make this fun and memorable, we're stepping into the Breaking Bad lab. Just like Walter White's journey into Heisenberg, programming is all about structure, precision, and choices. Choices that can lead to powerful outcomes. So think about it. What seems simple on the surface, an app loading instantly, a website search working, or a video playing smoothly, is powered by languages, data types, and logic all cooking together behind the scenes. In this lesson, we'll explore programming languages the same way Walt and Jesse experimented in the lab. Each ingredient and process matters. So let's start with programming language categories. Interpreted languages are like cooking with a recipe step by step. You read the instructions, follow them line by line, and if you make a mistake, you find out immediately. Examples include Python and HTML. Compiled languages are like prepping a frozen meal in advance. Everything is prepared, tested, and packaged before you actually cook. When it's time to run, it's fast and efficient. Think C++. Next up, query languages. These are like asking a librarian for a book. You don't organize the whole library, you just ask and you get exactly what you need. SQL is a big one here. And then there's assembly languages. This is the nuts and bolts approach. It's like manually fixing an engine with exact tools. It's low level, precise, and closer to how a computer really works. Okay, now let's tie this back to Breaking Bad. Interpreted languages, that's Jesse improvising. Yo, let's just cook this way. Fast but error prone. Compiled languages, Walt's perfected blue recipe. Tested, compiled, consistent every time. Query languages, Walt gathering intel, asking Saul, or digging through DEA databases. Assembly language, that's building the RV from scratch. Low level, step by step, detail by detail. By the end of this domain, you won't just know programming language categories, you'll be ready to cook up clean, logical programs like a master chemist, minus the hazmat suits.